Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika and my channel's name is Maths Time. So we are going to learn two-digit line addition trick. In the previous video, we did one-digit line addition trick. Now we are doing two-digit and this is the part 2, not the part 1. So here is the question on the board. 23 plus 24 plus 15 plus 27 plus 74. Now this is the same as before. Drop 10, add, drop 10 and add. So we write the question in a row. So we write 23. 24, 15, 27 and 74. Now, first of all, we begin from the ones place and this is the tens place. So, ones place 7 down to up. So, 4 plus 7, we are getting 11. Drop a 10 and add 1 here. 6 plus 4, 10, exactly 10, so drop here. Now, 0 because 10 has ones place 0. So, 0 plus 3 is, it is 3 only. So, we can write 3 here. Now, count the lines. 1, 2. We can't write 2 here. We'll write 2 on the top here, very small. Not too small that you can't see, you have to use the microscope. Just not that small or not too big like question. Now 7 plus 2 which is 9, 9 plus 1 which is 10. Drop a line here. Now 10 has 0. So 0 plus 2 which is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4. Now this 2 which we have carried over, the number of lines, we are going to add that also. We are getting 6. So we write 6 here. Now we are going to count how many lines are in the tens place. Not in the ones place. Ones place we have already had 1, 2 lines and 2 is written here. Now in the ones place there is only one line. So we can write 1 here. So the answer is 163. And if you use the normal school method 23 plus 24, you use the longer method, you are still getting 136. So the answer is correct and now you are going to the next level. So we can say it is, we are on pre-beginner right now. Now you are on beginner level. Almost beginner. Now we are going to check the second question also so you can understand better. So now here is the second question. It is 27 plus 46 plus 58 plus 92 plus 13 plus 64. So now answer if you think what would be? Confusing, right? Now let's use the method. So write them in a row. First of all, 27, 46, 54, 58, 92, 30 and 64. So I hope you found the answer and please while I am speaking don't interrupt while talking. Same for everybody including me. Now there are 6 questions or 5. You can say there are 6 in one question. We can also get above. Now first of all, I'll give you 5 seconds or more than 5 seconds. Take as much time as you want. But right now I'm only giving you 5 seconds. And if it's less, then pause the video and try to answer this question. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. What is your answer? We'll find out now. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8 is 9 plus 8 is 17. Now here if you see, 17 is 2 digit. Drop the 10. 7 carried to 6. 6 plus 7. It is 13. 13 is bigger again. Now drop 10. Drop the 10 and add 3 to 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So here, 10. Now what we write here? You write 0. Because here, as I told you in the part 1, if you get above answer, don't need to add it. Whatever number you get. We are getting 10 here. So the number which is in the first place, we are bringing it directly to the solution part. We are going to write the answer in this board thingy. So square. So here, now this we have found. Now I count the lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines there are. We'll make a small 3 here and you can circle it if needed. Now add them up. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 45 plus 9, 16 again. 10 digit, 2 digit I mean. So you will write 10 here and add 6 to this. 6 plus 5 is 6 plus 5 it's 11. Drop a 9 here and add 1. 5 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2? It's 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10. We write 0 here. Now count the lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines there are. So answer this question is 300. So I hope the students who solved it before in 5 seconds or they took pause the video and answered it, gave 300 as the answer. Then I'm very proud of the students who answered it as 300. It's very good. And now we're going to go to the next question, which is the third question. So now here is the question 3. It is 15 plus 28 plus 34 plus 47 plus 56. So now 5 seconds to write the means I hope you have written the question. If not, then you will get 10 seconds to write it and solve it also. So if it's less, then you can pause the video and solve it. So your time starts now. Time's up. So I hope you got the correct answer. Now we are going to learn how to solve it also. So first of all, write it in column. First, ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand. This is part 2. We are going to come to part 3 also, which is 3 digit lines. We are going to talk about that later. First, let's solve the question. So 15 plus 28 plus 34 plus 47 plus 56. I hope you're not talking when I'm teaching, because I find it a bit, I think the students are not concentrating. So, no noise around you. Now let's start solving. 6 plus 7, it is 13. Make a line here and you're dropping 10 and adding the 3 to 4. So 4 plus 3. What do you get 4 plus 3 as? 7. 7 plus 4. Here you're going to drop here 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Drop one line here and 5 will be here. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 we are getting. Draw a line here and write 0 here. Next step, count the lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines again. So we'll make 3. Writing here the portion in the tens place. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again bigger. Now drop a 2 here, means drop a 10 and add 2 to next upper digit. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So answer is 8. But count the lines. How many lines there is? 1 line only. Because this is the ones place and this is the tens place. In the tens place there is only 1 line. And you won't count the ones. Means in the tens place there is only 1 line. But you won't count the ones place. Because we have already 1, 2, 3 already made the line. Means we have made the lines here. But we are not here. What is the answer place? Here. In the question, in the test place. Now answer is 180. So I hope you got the answer as 180. So the x is equals to 180. And if you use the school method, which is taught in school in first standard, second standard, and I think it's still fourth standard only, because in fourth standard we had, but we had till 5, 6 digits. And so this was question 3. So now is another question. 33 plus 44 plus 27 plus 61 plus 85. So first step, 5 plus 1, which is 6. 6 plus 7, which is 13. Now 1 here and 3 here. 7 plus 3 is 10. Drop a 10 here and write 0 here. Now count the lines. 1, 2 lines. 2 carried here. Now 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, if you check, it is 14. 14. Now plus 4 here. Drop in 10. 6 plus 4, 10 here. We'll add 0 to this. So 0 plus 3 plus 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. So we are getting answer as 5 and down lines 1, 2. There are 2 lines. So answer is 250 of this question. So this was the end of the video. No practice test. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe.